Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux Casserole. Okay, now next we're going to make some chicken stock the easy way. And here's how you do it. Okay, so I've got some boiling water here. Just came to a boil, and I've got it in the big cup. We went about 4 cups to this, is a quart. I'd like to use a couple of these chicken bouillon cubes, and these are great. A huge time saver, tons of flavor. It has parsley in it too, so it's kind of nice. It's got more flavor than just chicken stock. So if you have time to make your own chicken stock and you want to boil up a chicken or two and add some seasonings to it, you can. But if you want to do it a little bit quicker way, just go ahead. And what we'll do is go ahead and just mix this up, and it'll start breaking down into the liquid. And even if you don't go ahead and dissolve it all the way in here, once we go into our Maque Choux, it'll break up and it'll impart some huge flavor into our broth. So